You know why I love welding and fabrication? Because once you learn the skill, the craft, there's no limitations to what you can do. The only limitations you have is what you placed on yourself. Because then you can start actually building your imagination. Like this staircase behind me. This was an imagination. I drew it out on a piece of paper like a kid. And I said, you know what? I wonder if I do this. I wonder if I do this. Kept messing with it. So I finally got it how I wanted. Now I'm selling them. But it all fell back on me learning welding and fabrication. Not only just working for someone, getting a check, because I do side work as a foreman now, doing contract work, and I get a check that way. I get a check off using my mind. You see what I'm saying? Building products. So don't limit yourself with this. That's all I'm saying. You don't even have to be in the field. You can be in the shop. You can just start the shop and have people working for you. But it's money in welding, fabrication, and installation, especially miscellaneous metal. You ain't got to go on a big scale to get a big bag. Think small, eat big. Hog on.